Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Now, this is a mini kit Monday, but I know it's Wednesday. I get it. But I do have this bonus video, and I wanted to get it up during the month of October, and today being the last day. Well, this was my last chance. So I am using up as much of my kit as I can. I wanted to make sure I used up that frame. If I ended up putting it back in with my fall things, I was afraid it might get bent, and it goes perfect. It goes perfect with this layout. It goes perfect with this craft paper. And here I am once again using this washi tape that I don't like, and I still don't use it all up on this page, but darn, it will get used up. And like most people, I love wood grain. This is from Simple Stories. I bought a couple packets of this from Amazon. I figured that wood grain is just a wonderful neutral, and I usually use it, in the fall especially, and especially when it's these darker colors. There might be a whitewash one that I might use other times of the year. This is one of the quickest videos I've done. I got everything completed. Well, to be honest with you, I did pull all the embellishments out, but the filming of this took all of 15 minutes. So I sped it up by 3 times so that I could make this a really quick videos for you guys, because I am sure you are ready to move on from the fall layouts. Now, this photo is of my little grand dog. Her name is Bailey. She lives with my daughter in Michigan, and my daughter buys her these cute little bandanas. So, of course, I had to, do a page about her. She's so darling. I know that there is a sketch that I'm following, but I couldn't find which one it was. I guess I didn't save it as a screenshot. I normally do that, or I've been trying to do that. Now, I was going to say something about this little piece of scrap that I'm putting over here on the left side of the photo. Sometimes I would trim it down, but if I did, then I would have another little piece of like, what am I going to do? Throw it in the trash? Nah, just leave it all in one piece. And then that way it's all used up, and then we're moving on. I do a lot of dimension on this layout, this foam tape. I used to be pretty stingy with the foam tape, especially when I was buying the Scotch brand, but I'm trying to get a little better because I don't want my photos to be saggy. So I want to make sure I put plenty of foam tape, but not too terribly much. So that's the why I put so much on, and I don't think it was excessive amount. In fact, this one I put a little bit too much, and I ended up having to take part of it off because I can't get that leaf underneath that. So those leaves, there's 2 of them there, as you can see. Those I had die cut them with my die cutting machine and my, oh, what is it? The Big Shot by Sizzix. And those dies I got from Lawn Fawn. There are, I think they're called autumn leaves or fall leaves. And they are cut out of balsa wood. And I had colored them last year. I believe I want to say I used distressed inks. And then, by adding water, it makes it a very pretty watercolor look. Everything here goes together pretty good. I know I put a heart up there by the leaf at the top of the photo, but you know what? As I'm looking at my page now, I don't know where that went. It is missing from my page, so oh well. I love the sequins, absolutely love them. Of course, I use Distress Collage Medium to glue them down, and they do not come off. And on this video, I don't make you watch me put them down. I try to use different colors. I try to use different shapes. I think it really adds a visual, I think it looks good. To me, it looks great. So that's why I do it that way. The last thing I do is I add the sprinkles. This is Delusion. It's called Pure Sunshine. And I sprinkle a little bit on, I go at a diagonal. This is my go-to. I've been doing this for a long time, but that's just the way I am. I did get a little bit on the photo, and to be honest with you, I don't really notice it so much when I'm looking at the in real life. Well, here's my still shots. I want to say thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye-bye.